Hi, welcome back to Around the House with Cheryl. So today I'm going to be taking down some of my Christmas stuff. It's kind of a sad day for me. I'm not taking everything down, but I'm taking down most of my little knickknacks and I'm putting them all in one room and then I'm going to organize it. So this is going to be more than a one-part video, but if you want to see how I get started, stick around. I'll be right back. Okay, I shared with you guys my kitchen that I decorated for Christmas. So I started taking down some of the things that were on the wall, like these they're ornaments, but I had put them in this plate stand. I took down these plates and I had these signs. I got to paint the back, but these signs that I painted we have on the windows. And you see, I still have the snowflakes up there. Let me get over and show you. So I'm sort of debating on the snowflakes. It's hard to see, but they came out really pretty. It's the light in here. But anyway, I'm debating. I may not take them down right away because it's still winter. And I'm not sure about these curtains. You know, I like the burgundy green, cranberry color. I got to get up there and take down that ho-ho sign. This garland that's over the doorway, I'm going to leave that up. That's like a base. I'm going to take off the berries and the garland and everything. And I'm not sure if I'm going to get up here to take down these little snowflakes, guys. But I think even though I like this, and I'm tempted to leave it up all year, is this. Let me go on the other side so you can see how it came out. See? I just think that is so cute. But I'm going to take it down, so let me show you how that's going to go. Okay, I got to get behind the couch. Take this down. I'm going to go unplug it. Okay, I had to put some bows on there. You know what? I'm just going to take these guys out the way. It's very difficult because I can't push the couch out further because the rug is in the way. Take these guys down. And then I'm going to show you where I put all this mess. I want to get my house ready for spring. And it's going to take me forever to put this mess away. But you know what? Oops. My little ornaments are falling off. Oh, that's because I just threw them up there. Little glass things that I got from the Dollar Tree. I had made some candle holders with these. You know, seen that before. Oops. Okay, so I gotta get this one out here. Get him off. Move this out my way. Cue myself. This. Okay. So I like how this turned out, and I try to switch up my decorations, but I really like how this came out. So I'm just going to take the whole thing down and move it out the way. And hold up, I'll be right back. Wow, that looks so empty now. I gotta think what I want to put up there for spring. I have a crate with some spring stuff in it, so I'm gonna go check it out. Ignore my junk in the background. My kitchen, gotta clean that up. So I'm gonna take down this picture. Oh, forgot. I still had this little fairy. And then there's certain dolls that I have that I store them a little different. I usually put them in some plastic bags because I don't want them to get damaged by any moisture or bugs. Even though I put them in crates, I still like to protect them. So let's go in the other room so I can show you how I started putting my stuff together. I haven't put anything away. But before we do that, I'd like to remind you, if you're new here, welcome. And I would truly appreciate it if you would subscribe and like and share the video. Let me turn on the light here to see. I have a lot of dolls that I use for decorating. So I'm going to just stack them all up here on the couch here. And down here is the village, part of the village. My husband said he's not putting this up next year. And look, I didn't realize it until he told me. Y'all, hold up, show you. I left my lights in the window from Halloween. Look, I'm still finding dolls. Here's one here. So we're going to put him over here. And like I said, the ones that are high up, like him, I might get up there and get them. I don't know. But yeah, this tree is going to be a challenge because it's tall and I got a lot of ornaments on it. This should be not hard. I turned on the light, so I want all the batteries to run out. And then make sure I take them out before I store it. So slowly, I've been taking stuff down. What I had here, if you watched my Christmas home tour, I'll link that video in the iCard or in the description box down below. You see what I had up there. These cone flowers, pine cones, I'm going to probably take them off of here. I might paint them, but I'm going to use these little things for something for spring, I'm sure. But see all this stuff I got to put away. So I try to put them like items together. So like pictures and dolls and ornaments. Because see, back here I got stuff that I took off this tree. And this came off my mantle, and then the garland's still there. And some ornaments. So I think I want to try to get some containers to do a little something different with my ornaments here. You know, I got pillows I got to put up. I have a big crate for that. And my throws. And then I have like these type of pieces. I have 3 because there's one and there's one up there. And one over here. And then this guy, I try to put him, all these type of things together. So it makes it easier the next year. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I just wanted to pop on to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And I'll be back with another video when I get to the point where I'm starting to store it. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching.